Welcome back to the fourth and final installment of making upcycled outfits for my Epic Universe trip. Today I will be finishing my Franken patchwork dress, no matter what it takes. So after finishing the front side of the skirt, I basically just did the same process for the back side, which also went a lot faster luckily. Next I needed to create the top, so I did the same patchwork process to create a square piece and then cut the shape of the top out of that. I did this on both the front and back pieces and then sewed them together. Then I added the collar and lining to the top and I was starting to see the vision come together. But then it started getting dark out and I kind of entered like a sewing blackout zone, but I still had to make the sleeves. I physically couldn't stop myself from making a puff sleeve, so once again I made the same patchwork pieces and then cut out the sleeves. I attached them to the top, sewed together the sides, and finished all of the seams. Finally, I gathered the top edge of the skirt and attached it to the top. I still had a few finishing details, but I needed to sleep, so the next day I added the elastic to the sleeves and hemmed the bottom of the skirt. But I still had one more final touch to add. My friend Taylor had the amazing idea to sew on some stitches like the ones on the bride shirt. So I took some pink yarn and hand sewed some stitches in a few spots with mere hours to spare. And here's the final dress! In the end, I am so proud of how this turned out, and I absolutely love how the stitches tie everything together. I don't know why I doubted myself. By the time you're seeing this, I will already be in Orlando, so be sure to keep an eye on my posts and stories this week to see my full looks and to follow along the fun. See you at Epic!